welcome back to the channel, guys. We are headed out to Dover's. Yes, it's the same day I ended my last video, but we are headed out to Dover's. Got a lot of stuff going on out there, guys. All right, so Caleb's car is here with the hood up. We'll see what's going on. Should be changing the plugs and the O2 sensors if you caught the last video. Caleb, what up, homie? Alright, so just got back from running down the road with Caleb since he got his new O2s in and got the plugs in and Daryl's tune. And let me tell you, it's a totally different animal. It's a lot better. Alright, let's get in here and see what else we got to get into today. Alright, they are making progress in Corey's car. As you can see, they've got the caster camera plates installed and got the coilover on this side installed. And he is starting with the wiring since we're doing the Coyote in here. And over here, of course, this is the engine that we're using. And we've got a Mustang oil pump. And we've got the Boundary oil pump gears and sprocket to go in it. So we're going to put a Mustang front timing cover. Actually, I think all this is going to be the gray stuff. So anyway, we got to get that started and see how far we get there today. We got Philip working on car today, guys. Philip is getting practice because he's got to put his oil pump gears in. Philip, what happened to your hair, dude?
Oh, morning hair.
Called what?
Morning hair. I just, when I wake up in the morning, I just pull it back, slap a flat bib on it, and go on about it. Oh my God. Dapper Dan.
Dapper Dan.
Let me guess. I bet y'all guys don't know what I'm talking about. It's old brother Rothall. See? I may be young, but how the hell you use this thing?
You gotta take the pulley boat out first.
Oh, okay. You didn't tell me that. Yeah.
Well, I mean, you can't remove the harmonic balancer without the boat. Yeah, I'll take care of you.
All
right. Now you're going that piece right there. You're going to put it in there. All right. You see these pieces right here? You see how they're got the edge on them right here?
Yeah.
Yeah. These need to go in here and then turn around and grab hold right there. So you need all three of them to go in there, just like that, bud.
You need to grab all three of them.
And then put them in.
I think I need to adjust it.
You might screw it out. No, screw it out. Screw it out. There you go. When you screw it in, it's gonna pull it.
Gotcha.
Then you can get it into place. Alright, turn it. Now tighten it down by hand. Then you grab it.
Alright.
Now put the impact on it. Tighten her up.
Tighten it?
Yep.
Alright.
There you go. That's all there is to it, man.
Hey, look at that.
Walking apart.
I need one of those things in my life. Well,
the look on his face when the coolant come out, like
I'm glad I stood up because that would have been all in me.
You get some towels. All right, while he's cleaning this mess up, we're gonna go see how they're doing over here.
I had one of them. I used to have one of them.
So y'all gonna cut a hole right there and mount the PCM that way?
Yeah, like this.
Yeah.
I like it. I like it.
Thing that snapped over this.
Where's the hole at you cut while I go with that tool? Show me.
It's underneath right there. Turn the light on.
Let me see what you got going here, Corey. Oh yeah, that hole right there.
Perfect.
Perfect. Then you'll just stick the wiring through there, and man.
That control pack right there, go through it.
Yep, all that control pack, all that stuff, all the goodies.
Feed it up through there.
Corey, your bracket car fits me sick.
Then we're gonna drag the back bumper.
Gonna drag the back bumper? Oh, that's what I've been wanting to hear. That's what I've been wanting to hear.
Coyote.
That's right.
The 1985 Ford, right? It's a little dirty.
I like it.
Sorry, though. I'm sitting outside.
I like it.
I cheated on her a few times.
It should be alright.
Yeah.
Sure, I know what's up.
What are you doing? You over here molesting my motor or what?
Yeah. He's putting the oil pump gears in. I'm supervising.
Then when you put my oil pumps in my car, I'll supervise you.
No, this is why. That's why I'm letting you do this.
Hey,
So
Ken,
you can get,
already know I'm gonna be calling you. Ken, how do you time?
well, man,
this
I could already been done with this by now. So the fact that that's the reason I'm letting you do it is so you can get used to it.
thing? Ken.
So you can learn. You got to learn. You can't always rely on other people.
See, look, these ain't 10. This ain't 10, Ken. You lied to me.
How'd I lie?
Truth, motherfucker.
No, that's a 13. You can't tell that that's a 10 and that's a different size. You got this, brother.
I know. I mean, first time I work on the car.
All right, so now, do you remember what you watched my video, right?
Yeah. Okay? This is a Gen 1, right?
This is a Gen 1, correct?
So you start on this side.
Negative.
You start on this. Like a Gen 2, you start on this side. No.
Negative. You always start on the front timing chain.
Oh yeah. Okay. What's the thing after this?
Dover's got it.
I don't know what was that. I remember watching it, but I don't know exactly. One of these has to do something with these dots. That's all I can remember. Am I close? Not really.
But you're gonna put the crank on 12.
On 12.
You're gonna put the keyway on 12 o'clock, and then this right here, the matrix, will be up, and then you'll take this chain off, and then you go over here and move this side to where you need it, and then take that chain off, and then you'll rotate it backwards on the Gen 1. On the Gen 2 is totally different.
That's what it is. You rotate it backwards on the, okay, that's what I remember.
Yeah, you do 12 o'clock and you rotate it back, and then on the Gen, you rotate it back to 9 o'clock, and then on the Gen 2 you start at 12 o'clock and you rotate it to 5 o'clock and you do all that. But guys, if you're watching this and you want to know detailed step by step on how to do this, go check out my video. I'll put a link down below for the Gen 1 and also Gen 2 Mustang engines. The Gen 2 truck engine is different from the Gen 2 Mustang engine, but if you put Gen 2 cams, the video will work for you. Gen 2 Mustang cams. All right, so we got the new oil pump in with the oil pump gears, the crank sprocket, got everything back on at the end time. Let's go see what they've got going on over here. Let me see. They got the PCM mounted. They've got wiring ran to the inside of the car. Got it all in here. And Corey, what are you doing over there, bud?
Put the pedal in.
You're putting the pedal in?
Yep.
Corey's putting the pedal in. We got the wiring on the inside. Got to finish that up. Making some good progress on the car. And so, gonna over here, he has got the fuel lines, got the fuel rails in, and has got the fuel lines ran really neat in behind this stuff. It's gonna go down here to the fuel regulator down here. And oh God, kids will be kids. Anyway, so everything's coming together, guys. All right, I'm gonna end this video here. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next time.